Hello everyone and hello Mr. Guns, how are you? I'm Renny Rosa and now I'm gonna do a videos to fulfill our final exams, which is uh, do a videos about daily activities, memorable moment and future dream. So first thing first, I get started from my daily activities. Let's get started. So, every morning, I always wake up an hour before the class started. But actually, before I started to wake up, there's kind of drama that I have to go through. It's like I need to press my alarm button for like 6 to 7 times in order so I can wake up. But anyways, after I wake up, usually I taking shower of course, and after taking shower, I do some kind of women's stuff like styling my hair and do a little makeup in order just give tone to my face so it's not looks like I'm dry. And after do the kind of stuff, I usually haven't had breakfast. I don't know why, maybe because my stomach is strong, I don't know, but I don't usually do that. And after that, I walk from my place to campus because the distance between my place and the campus is just near. So uh, don't need to taking transportation like Transjakarta or um, public transportation and stuff because you just need to walk. After do my stuff as a college student in campus, and when the time is 5 or 6 p.m., I go back home. But before I arrive at home, actually I have to buy uh, food for dinner, of course, because I'm not living with my parents, so there's no one gonna making dinner for you. So you need to buy by yourself, by myself actually. And after that, I arrive at my place and I taking shower before I eat my dinner. And usually I checking for my assessment if there's any assessment that I'm not finished yet, just to make sure. And after that, maybe I gotta learn for a little bit. And after that, of course, I'm just chilling out until the time it's shown like 0 o'clock, and I think like I need to go to bed.